Hello, this is Frederick here from Tourne-Sol, and I want to show you today how to use your delivery calendars to its best potential. Some tips and tricks. The first thing is to get access to your delivery calendars. We will have sent you different emails. Some reminders will have links to your calendars, but if you're ever at a loss and you don't know how to get there, you can always go to our website, and on the organic baskets page here, the section about vacations and missed baskets, you will be able to find a link there that will bring you to your calendar. It's a generic link, and so when you click to it, if your computer isn't signed into your account, you will be asked to put your email. You have to use your email that's linked to your account, and then we will send you a connection email into your email. You can keep that connection email and reuse it many times. That's going to be your door into your calendar. If you lose it, you just have to ask for it again by going to our website, clicking the link, and putting your email. So now that you get into your calendar, this is what you see. And so we can see here from this calendar, the first delivery scheduled for this account is on the 25th of May. And so the little basket sign below the number indicates that there's a vegetable basket delivery scheduled on that moment. And further down here, you see there's a star, and so on the 22nd of June, there's a basket, a vegetable basket, but also a special delivery. And those special deliveries are all indicated by a star, and so you can see here that it's a fruit basket. I'll switch to English. So it's a fruit basket that is scheduled for the 22nd of May, 22nd of June. Further down in the season, some of those stars will be linked to flower baskets or to egg baskets as well. And so you may see more than one star on a given date. And each of these are separate deliveries. And so the use of the calendar is that you can see your deliveries, but also you can move them when necessary. It's really important to know that you've got to do that 48 hours, at least 40 hours before the moment of the scheduled delivery. After that, the basket will be grayed out. It won't be possible to move it anymore because we are getting ready to harvest your stuff. Your stuff has already been harvested and is already in the cold room, geared to go where it was scheduled. And so what do you do then? It's that you have to send somebody to get your basket, or that you let us prepare the basket for you, and then you can come collect it the next day at the farm with the mist chairs. So say that you're on time and you want to move that first delivery, 25th of May, doesn't work for you, and so you'll just have to click on the icon, and then all the possible options for moving the basket will appear. You can choose to move that basket to the farm delivery on another day, or to Beaconsfield on another day. And later in the season, you will see Point Claire will appear in that list as well. But right now, we're full at Point Claire, and our truck is full because we still have our small truck still waiting to get their electric converted. And so it is not possible to move things to Point Claire right now because they won't fit. And so that's why you don't see that. It's not a problem. It's just that if you don't see a certain option or a certain date, it's because you can't move it there. Now, so say that I want to move it to the same drop-off, my Metro Beaconsfield, for the following week, which will be June 1st, and I will choose that here into the list and move the delivery. And so now I've moved my basket to from 25th of May to June 1st, and I can see that I have 2 baskets scheduled for that 1 week, and that's good. Now, say that there's another week where I have a problem. It's the 29th of June, and I want to move those vegetables, but I feel like I'm having too much vegetables, so I don't really want to have a double basket the following week or the preceding week. What you can do, and weekly members have 2 of those credits or reimbursements available, and bi-weekly members have 1 reimbursement available. You can ask for a refund to Slate. So basically the value of the basket, $31, will be sent to your account. And if I hit refund here, I have 1 left because I've been doing these videos. I'll refund to my account, and now that value is into my account. And next time that I place an order, that value will be applied automatically. So my vegetable baskets is gone, but my fruit basket is still there. The fruit baskets, unfortunately, we don't have the refund option possible with the technology. And so the fruits, I have to move them. So the fruits, I will open the link and see what options are possible. And you can see that there's not a lot of options in July. That's because we don't have fruits in July. I'm not going to go and buy fruits in July, so I'm not going to allow you to move your fruit basket on that date. You have to choose one of the dates that's available that's there. And so you can choose to move it forward by 1 week, get twice the amount of strawberries on June 22nd, or move it further in the season and get other types of fruits. In this case, in August, it's going to be blueberries. And so I can choose to move my delivery to, in this case, June 22nd. And those fruits now, the star, will have been moved from the 29th. It was here, and now it's been moved up to the 22nd. So my moves are done. I'm clear for the 29th. I don't have to go to the delivery point, and I've made the moves. So this is what I wanted to show you about the calendar. Another interesting tip is it's kind of hard to see where did these baskets go in the calendar view. So you can go at the top here and choose the list view to have a better idea and make sure that you have selected the right delivery point for your stuff. So if, for example, I had made a mistake and I saw here on June 22nd that I had a fruit delivery that I had mistakenly moved to the farm instead of Beaconsfield, and I had one here scheduled for the Beaconsfield and one scheduled for the farm, that would be an indication that I need to go back and move it again to make sure that my fruits are sent to Beaconsfield. Your farmers are very smart, but I can't look at everybody's schedules and figure out if you made a mistake like that. You have to double check yourself. Otherwise, what I do, if there's a basket scheduled for Beaconsfield and another one for another delivery, I send them to both places, and then you won't have your stuff. So that's the list view. That's very useful to double check here. Final little tip is here where your name is, you can see your profile, your past orders, and your calendar. So you can flip from one page to the other pretty easily. If you go see your orders, you will see your different registrations. And if you click here, you'll see your invoice with the details. And yes, there's the button to buy more options if you wanted to add eggs and so on to your basket. And finally, if you want to participate in the contest, you can enroll in the contest here as well with your invoice. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and happy spring. We'll see you very soon with the first deliveries starting at the end of May or beginning of June. Bye-bye.